I see Winnie saying that was great, coach. The next part, we are going to work the lower legs, and then after it's going to be 15 minutes. Let me hydrate. All right, so that is, let's get ready, stand up. You're going to need so feet shoulder width apart, toes facing outward, and then you squat down. Keep your back straight. To keep your back straight, you push your chest to the front a little bit, and then you squat down. Notice my back is not going like this, but I'm sitting. So think about your hip going down in a vertical way. Beautiful. Now stand upright. We're going to be kicking backward with a straight leg. So make sure alternate. Make sure you're squeezing the glute to bring that leg up. And I hope your fitness mat or yoga mat is close by. And if you have good stability, you don't need to spread your hands. But when you spread the hands, the stability becomes much better. All right, we're going again to squat, but now you go down in two motion, and when you're down, you bounce until halfway, you come. All right, halfway down, go all the way down, stop there, stop halfway. All right, bounce down, and then there, up. So this removes the swing momentum, and you will feel that the legs work even more. Beautiful. Now, we are going to be raising the leg to the side. You bring it down slowly. Control the up and down. Bring the leg as high as you can. You can spread your hands for good balance. Feel like you don't have good balance on the leg you're standing on. Wonderful. Switch the other side. Soft knee a little bit, and if you feel like you need balance, spread your hands. What you do on one side is what you should do on the other side as well. Don't stop before the timer ends. Beautiful. Take the yoga mat. Now we are going to alternate glute kickback. Keep the knee bent 90 degrees or about 90 degrees. Squeeze the glute, squeeze the hamstring, back in the neutral position. Now we're going to alternate fire hydrant. So you raise the leg to the side, go to the other side. So this works the side glute. Beautiful. Now lie flat on your back. Next one is just you bring the glute up and then you're straightening the leg alternately. Keep the hip up as high as possible. So to do that, you have to contract the hamstring and the glute of the leg that is down. You have to always think of elevating the hip, otherwise you will be like this, but not like this. Beautiful. Now we're going to work the core a little bit. Bring the knees up. Now you come up, you try to touch your ankles or your shin. Make sure you roll your back on the mat or on the ground. Keep the knees at 90 degrees. Wonderful. Now we are up here, position. So lift your legs into the air. That's level 1. Level 2 is like this. Contract, contract. Beautiful. Now you're seated up here, intertwine the fingers, and then you're twisting until the elbow is almost at the same line as the knee. Lean back so that you activate your core a bit more. Thank you, Kev, for reminding people to follow me on Instagram. If you want to get in touch, you can get in touch via Instagram or Facebook page. Beautiful. Woo! Now, come back in this position. Straighten the leg straight, then you take it up, down. Straight leg. Up, down, up, down. All right. Now we go on the other leg. Straighten the leg. Let's go up and down. Wonderful, guys. Let's stand up. Next one, we're going to work the calves. 2 rounds. So you stand on the tip of your toes. So it's good to be able to contract the ankle muscles, the muscle that cause the ankle to go in plantar flexion, or it's dorsiflexion, I forgot. All right, kick the legs loose a little bit. We're going again to the calves, but now we hold it up. So you just stand on the toes and you wait as long as you can. When you can't hold it no more, you go down and then you start over. this is isometric contraction. Use your arms to rebalance when you feel like losing the balance. All right. We're going to squats, feet shoulder width apart, and then you sit back, you come up, knee to elbow, sit back, come up, knee to elbow. Beautiful. Wonderful, wonderful. Now we're going down here. So when the timer hits, you lift your knee from the ground. I got it, I'll call it squats. So modification is just doing squats. But if you can do this, isometric contraction for this and this. So I have 90 degree, and the knee is not going past my toes. All right, switch, 90 degree, so the shin is just above the ankle. Okay, lift off. "30 seconds. You got this, guys. So this forces us to do the mind-muscle connection. We're almost there. All right. Let's go here. We're going to alternate glute kickback. Beautiful. Yes, guys. Wonderful, wonderful. Now we're going to alternate fire hydrant. So if you want to keep your independence in the senior years, you have to keep on working out, and that will improve the quality of your overall health and life. Beautiful. Now lie on the side like this. We're going to be raising the leg up and bringing it down slowly. So this works the hip abductor and adductors. Bring the legs slowly down. So that is working the glutes when you bring the leg slowly down. Wonderful. Let's go on the other side. Side balance. Wonderful, wonderful. Let's go. So now we are officially over half of the whole boot camp. Wonderful. Well done, well done. Barbara James, welcome. Happy Sunday. Yes. Hydration, hydration. So wonderful, so wonderful. My t-shirt is completely soaked. Unbelievable. Wonderful. If you want to be among the ambassadors, people supporting this community to grow, all you have to do is to share one workout with 1 or 2 people. Yes, happy Sunday. I see Dark Symphony saying happy Sunday everyone, and Coach Barbara James. It's 5 a.m. Wow. We are a worldwide community, so sometimes people can catch up. Yes. And that is how to end the week. And now the body is fully refreshed. Winnie saying thanks Coach Remmy and Mom. Thank you also. It takes the effort of everybody. And Leon saying thanks Coach also. Thank you to the Home Fit Farm. So it's about peer motivation, knowing that you have other people gifting the movement to themselves. It's always a pleasure to have you guys day in, day out. Thank you so much. Maybe let's add the final chart. Winnie saying thanks Coach Remmy and Mom. Leo saying thanks Coach. And we had Dark Symphony saying happy Sunday everyone. And Angeli Bear was also like thanks for this one. Thank you so much everybody who was here gifting themselves a good dose of movement. It is always a pleasure guys to have you here. So tomorrow we have a 1 hour, no it's not 1 hour, it's 45 minutes workout. And we have Winnie saying, please let's support Coach Remmy by sharing his video, and thank you. Thank you everybody, and have a lovely Sunday. And Mom is also saying thanks. She's there. And Barbara is like, Mom was awesome. The whole Home Fit community was awesome. It's always the effort of the whole family. So great things are achieved by people joining hands for the same cause. This not only improves the quality of our lives. Thank you so much. Have a lovely Sunday. As we end this Sunday Fun Day, Sunday live stream, Sunday self-care, it's self-care. Thank you, and have a lovely Sunday, and hopefully you will start the week with a refreshed spirit. And bye bye. Yes.